Bajaj Crochet Amigurumi Tutorial Part 3. Front side. The first row we make 31 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2. Make single crochet every stitches, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Continue, make single crochet until the last loop. Row 3 to 15, we make chain 1, turn. We will make single crochet again, single crochet until the last loop. We will have 34 single crochet for total. Remember, until make single crochet in the last loop, make chain 1, turn your work, and make single crochet again. Row 2 to 15, make same step. I finish row 15, chain 1, and then we will make single crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, turn your work. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, turn your work. Replay this pattern until 16 times. 16 times around. I make single crochet 3 times, chain 1, turn your work until 16 times row, and then we will make in the left right side 16 times a row, make single crochet 3 times, chain 1, turn, like the left side. Okay, then make single crochet. Now row 17, 3 times, single crochet 3 times, and make chains 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then we will crochet, single crochet 3 times. One, two, three. Chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then we will make single crochet 24 times in the chains. Before we make 24 chains, every stitch we will make single crochet. So we have total single crochet 30 single crochet. Single crochet 3 times, single crochet 24 times, single crochet in here 3 times. Okay, make chain 1, turn your work, and then row 19 to row 20 we make single crochet again every stitches. We will have 30 single crochet for total. For front side, make 2 like this. I finish and make 2 for front side. Take foam heart and glue. Glue every side and take the hard plastic, glue hard plastic, and then glue again foam hard. Okay, I finish for use foam heart and then glue in one side, and then we will glue together. Take two wire and then we will crochet together with wire. Remember, when you crochet, every stitches for side, take wire 2. Take wire. Until finish every side. I finish for make front side. Handlebar. Weight yarn. Row 1, 8 magic ring. Row 2, 2 single crochet. Row 3, single crochet every stitches. Black yarn. Row 4 to row 6, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 7, make single crochet 2 times and then decrease. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Row 8, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Row 9, single crochet and next stitch decrease. Row 10 to row 14, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 8 single crochet for total. Black yarn. Row 1, make 16 magic ring. Row 2 to row 5, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Row 6, single crochet and then 2 single crochet. Row 7 to row 9, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 9 single crochet for total. Start from row 6, we chain blue yarn. Okay, I finished for sew pole. 6 pole, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we will sew 2 pole again for the upper pole, left and right. I sew right and left upper pole, and then bend the front pole like this, and the next we will sew 3 pole again, middle upper pole, every middle, back middle, and front. So 3 pole again. I finish for sew every pole. And now we will sew front side. The first we will sew the bottom side. Don't forget for use pin. Sew the bottom side the first. In the middle, take wire. When you sew, must touch wire in here, and then the wire in here. So our sew will be strong. I finished for sew the bottom. So in here, sew until finish, and once again in here sew. Bend to back for easy when we sew. Bit by bit. When you sew, we must be patient. I finish for sew every side. Okay, like this, yeah. I finish sew every side. Okay, next we will make door, front door, and after that we make back door. Front door. Row 1, make 20 chains, and now row 2, make single crochet every stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Chain 1, turn your work. Replay again until row 14. I finish for make front door. Make 2 for front door. After you finish make 2, don't forget glue foam heart, and then we will crochet together. Make single crochet every stitches every side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And crochet it again. Make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and make single crochet again. In here 19 single crochet, and in here 11 single crochet. Make 2 door for front door. So every loop until finish, until the last stitch. Okay, I finished for sew front door. Back door. Row 1. Make 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make single crochet every stitches. We will have 10 single crochet. After you finish in the last stitch, make chain 1, turn your work, replay again until row 13. I finished for row 13. Make 2 like this, and then use foam heart and glue in here, and then you must single crochet every side. Make single crochet every side. You make in here, make 11 single crochet, and here you make 10 single crochet, 11 single crochet, 10 single crochet, 11 single crochet, and in here too make 10 single crochet. Then you must sew like this. Sew in the middle paw. We will use vecro, so the door will be we can open and close for the door. Okay, now we will make the upper side. We will cover upper side and the back side.